Begin by removing all headrests from your rear bench seat. Next, wrap the bottom half of the cover over one corner of your rear bench seat before extending it across to the other side. Proceed to tuck in all straps between the seat and back while creating a nice and taut fit. Take note of the location of any seatbelt buckles. We will make a special accommodation for these features. Once installed, create a small opening using a pair of scissors directly over the midpoint of the seatbelt buckles. Take care not to make too large of an opening before tucking away any excess fabric. Begin installation of the top half of the cover by wrapping it around one corner and extending this across to the other side. Next, fold down your rear bench seat to access the backside. Continue covering the seat while you expose all connected straps. Attach one of the supplied hooks to each strap and secure these to one another around the backside of the seat. Once all straps are connected, lift the bench seat up and set back into place. Next, locate all headrest posts before making a small opening using a pair of scissors. Wrap any excess fabric underneath the posts. Lastly, reinsert all headrests into your back seat before wrapping them with the included headrest covers. And there you have it. Your new seats are ready for your next trip. Any questions? Feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help.